Hi guys, my name is Fabio Varanda and here I am again to present the basics of a Web3 project. For those who don't know me, I have a degree in computer engineering and work as a teacher. My passion for teaching has led me to start creating content related to coding and Web3 projects. The focus of this episode is Filecoin. I want to introduce to you its purposes, features, partnerships, tokenomics, and even how can you start contributing to this network. So let's go. The founder of Filecoin is this man, Juan Benet. I don't know if the name is pronounced correctly, but sorry. He's actually the founder of Protocol Labs, the Internet Research and Development Laboratory that created the ipfs protocol and Filecoin. ipfs stands for InterPlanetary File System. It's a decentralized data storage protocol whose goal is to create a global network for storing and sharing information in a persistent, secure, and accessible way. We can see this protocol as a decentralized library in which each file has a unique address based on its content. This protocol is difficult to censor as there are countless computers around the world working for this network. There is no central point that can be controlled. It can be considered a more efficient protocol than traditional cloud storage system as it distributes the storage and transfer of data. Finally, it also allows anyone to audit its operation as it is an open source protocol, meaning that its code and operation is available to anyone who wants to analyze it for free. This protocol is still under development and its adoption is obviously still low. We can talk about Filecoin without talking about DePIN. DePIN stands for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure. By the way, before this term, DePIN, it was used to call these projects TIPIN or Token Incentivized Physical Infrastructure Network. DePINs are blockchain protocols that encourage decentralized communities to build and maintain physical hardware. Users provide hardware or software resources to the network and receive rewards in tokens. This ranges from collection information on vehicles in transits, like we can see here Hive Mapper. It also goes to projects related to internet sharing like Helium or Crank, or even projects of artificial intelligence or AI, as you know, but we can see here Filecoin. If you search, Filecoin is still here in DePIN. It is also a DePIN project. The focus of a DePIN protocol is to delegate responsibility and control of physical infrastructure to multiple agents, which can be individuals, communities, companies, or even automated systems. Basically, DePIN is a concept that brings together decentralized protocols designed to organize and encourage the implementation of physical and hardware infrastructure. Filecoin is a storage network built on ipfs protocol. We can see it at the decentralized library storage service for ipfs protocol. Filecoin is a blockchain that enables decentralized storage in the cloud, guaranteeing security, trust, and permanence of data. Anyone can use Filecoin to store their files in the cloud. Two examples of those services are Pinata, which has OpenSea, Ledger, or Sorari as a client. Another example is Web3 Storage, which has also OpenSea as a client, in addition to Magic Eden, that is another NFT marketplace, or Glitter Finance, which is an ecosystem that allows interoperability between 9 blockchains, such as Ethereum, BNB, Solana, or Polygon, by example. Obviously, to use these storage services, the free version is very limited. If you are not interested in using Filecoin Network from a user perspective, you can always become a miner. At the moment, you have two ways to participate in network. So you can participate through storage market or retrieval market. In storage market, you must offer space for data storage, and you will be rewarded with file token every time you create a new block on the network, and you can also receive transaction fees. This is the most common form of participation on the network. In the retrieval market, you have to ensure that you have an excellent internet speed so that you can, whenever necessary, provide clients with the requested file, and in return you will receive fill token. In the future, there will be also repair miners, these other roles here. Filecoin Network uses two consensus mechanisms, proof of replication and proof of space-time. Proof of replication is a mechanism that verifies that miners are storing the data they claim to store. The network checks the validity of the proofs and rewards the miners with fill tokens for guaranteeing the replication and reliability of data. Proof of space-time is the main consensus mechanism responsible for guaranteeing the integrity and availability of the data stored on the network. Miners must prove that they have allocated space for storage by sending that information to the network at regular time intervals. The network validates the information by rewarding miners with fill tokens. Filecoin was originally designed as a layer 0 solution. When we talk about layer 0, we are talking about data storage and retrieval functionality. Filecoin did not have the ability to run complex program applications or smart contracts, which is a fundamental feature for layer 1 blockchains. With a Filecoin Virtual Machine, with that introduction, we have a significant evolution that brings Filecoin closer to layer 1 blockchains. Filecoin Virtual Machine allows developers to create smart contracts on Filecoin Network, opening the door to a variety of applications and functionalities on this storage network. Filecoin have partnered with Solana in order to increase Solana decentralized storage capacity. Infrastructure Solana, it can really be a rival of Ethereum. By the way, the announcement of this partnership caused the price of the fill token to rise by 33% in February. Fill token, as already mentioned, is the native token of this network. Users pay for services using this token, and the miners receive this token as a reward. There is a max supply of 2 billion fill tokens. In 2017, an initial coin offering, an ICO, was carried out to raise funds to start developing this network. 7.5 of these of all of these tokens were distributed at the time in 2017 to the people who entered this ICO. 2.5% are still here, were kept for potential funds, for potential future fundraising. We can also see that the team has 20% of tokens and 70% is for the miners. There is a token burning system related to network fees or fines related to miners failing to fulfill their commitments. This burning system means that we have a deflationary token here in long term. Of the 2 billion, we can see that at most there can be only 1,960 million fill tokens left, which shows that the burning system is happening. In addition, we can also see that are still only around 532 million tokens in circulation, which shows that there is still a lot to be mined. Finally, I want to share with you that all this research I did for this episode gave me a lot of fun and left me with some FOMO. I hope all of this information has been interesting for you too. Stay well and see you next time.